تبارك الذي بيده الملك وهو على كل شيء قدير.
Muslims are encouraged to recite Surah Al-Mulk for preparation after death in the grave. The reality is that the preparation on earth before death is to uphold the true teaching of Islam, Al-Quran and the Sunnah. The coming of Al-Mahdi and time is near, and the war in Iran, the big war is coming also, that is Al-Mahamah. What happened to the Muslim around the world are waiting for the coming Al-Mahdi to save the Muslim from the wicked and oppressor Dajjal and his alliance. May Allah protect us from the evil of Dajjal, inshallah.